Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
No.
Real.
Well, how he can't stand out in front of, he left the establishment, didn't he?
I'm not sure at what point he was asked to leave. He might have been inside and he was still inside, and then he was still outside, something like that.
Well, this is what I'm asking him. This is what I'm asking him. Did he said that he's in there. They got rowdy. They asked him to leave. He went outside and he stayed in front of the building and waited on his friends. That's what this is. The city of Detroit versus Brandon Michael Green, case number SP 1803911. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Green. He's on Zoom.
Good morning to you, Mr. Green. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Brandon Michael Green.
Very good. Good morning to you, Mr. Johnson. What's the set for?
Pre-trial.
You want a trial date?
He wants to take the resolution to the 6-month delay.
No, he doesn't want to. He doesn't want to fight, huh?
No, sir.
He has no fight in him, huh?
He's got some fight though.
I don't see it. No fight in you, huh, Mr. Green?
I got fight in me. Just came in tomorrow.
You want a trial date then? If you want a trial date, or you want to go just take the deal. This deal is run of the mill.
I'm gonna take the deal.
You can get that all day, every day. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you have any money? Let me ask you that.
Yeah, I got money.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Judge.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
And anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
I'm going to ask you one last time. Do you want a trial date or you want to take the deal?
Take the deal.
October 6, 2025 at around 12:06 a.m. in the city of Detroit near Grand River and Griswold. What's over there? Were you over there around that date and that time?
Yes, Judge. I was over there with some friends at a bar.
And at a bar. And all I see is trespassing at 200 Grand River, Mr. Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor. Same here.
Well, he's at a bar. How does it get to be trespassing, Mr. Green?
We're in the area later than we're supposed to be. I was waiting on some friends.
What?
I was waiting on some friends in the area later than we were supposed to be.
Later than what you're supposed to be. What are you're not a juvenile, are you?
No, sir. I was with some friends at a bar, and it was just they were like rowdy and stuff, so they asked us to leave, so I was just waiting on some friends in the area, and yeah, that's what happened.
It's just I'm getting little pieces. He's not really coming clean.
I was in the area with some friends at a bar, and they were rowdy, so they asked us to leave. So I waited outside for the friends, and they asked me to leave, but I stayed in the area to wait on the friends that were still in the bar. So
how is that trespassing, Mr. Johnson?
Well, because they called the cops and said I was still in the area, and after they asked me to leave.
I don't care what they did. So they're telling you can't stand out at 200 Grand River where they own the street and sidewalk and everything?
Well, in front of the establishment, I guess. I don't know. I guess they felt
you don't even know, do you?
I don't know. I guess they felt I was
pleading guilty just to plead guilty, huh?
No, I just
say that, Judge.
Right, Mr. Johnson?
Not for Mr. Green, no.
Well, how he can't stand out in front of, he left the establishment, didn't he?
I did.
I'm not sure at what point he was asked to leave. He might have been inside and he was still inside, and then he was still outside, something like that.
Well, this is what I'm asking him. This is what I'm asking him. Did they, you said, he said that he's in there. They got rowdy. They asked him to leave. He went outside and he stayed in front of the building and waited on his friends.
Mm.
That's what I heard him say.
Yes, Judge.
I heard that correctly.
Yes, Judge.
So
Yes,
the question is, do they own all of that to make you be able to get off the sidewalk? Who owns that?
I don't know. I believe I'm under the impression they called the cops while we were still in there, and as I got outside and was still waiting around.
See what I'm saying? You don't even know.
I don't know the whole thing. I mean, I'm just going based off what I think. I think they called them while we were in there. I came outside. Moments later, they showed up.
And this is why I'm saying, Mr. Johnson, I don't know if you can't help them voir dire them better than that. I don't know if I don't know if I don't hear what I don't hear is any trespassing illegality.
You mind if can I go into a breakout room later with him?
Yeah, go into a breakout room later with him. You know, an attorney. All right, Mr. Johnson, are we ready on who are we ready on?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Green.
Mr. Green, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Help me understand, Mr. Johnson, what your client wants to plead. How, first of all, help me understand. I understand partially why he wants to plead guilty, because from my understanding, like a lot of people, I just want to get it over with. But it doesn't just work like that in here. And we have to take an accurate factual basis. And if I know those business owners downtown want to act like they own everything and you don't have a belong, and they can tell you to move out and do whatever they want to do, but that's not the case. But I don't know if they own the sidewalk or not. But that's what the last time we talked, he said he was just on the sidewalk and they told him he was trespassing. So did you get any more information?
Yes, Your Honor. We request a bench trial date.
Oh, now he's got some fight in him now.
Yes, he does.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Thank you, Judge. You too.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.